So let's talk about the BreezeBox AC. It's advertised as a compact portable air cooler that promises quiet operation, adjustable fan speeds, and even a little humidifying comfort. On paper, it sounds like a simple and affordable way to stay cool. But once you take a closer look, the reality is very different. BreezeBox AC isn't a real air conditioner at all. What you actually get is a small plastic fan with a water tank attached. It can give off a light breeze with a bit of moisture, but it has nowhere near the power needed to cool an entire room or even a medium sized space. At best, it might feel slightly refreshing if you sit right in front of it in a very small area, but that's a limit of what it can do. A lot of the claims used to sell this device are misleading. The promise of silent operation simply isn't true. Many users say it's loud enough to be annoying, with some comparing the noise to a mini vacuum cleaner. Other features, like long battery life and multiple cooling modes, don't hold up under real use either. People report inconsistent performance, random shutoffs, and flimsy buttons that stop responding after just a few days. There are also widespread complaints about leaks, cheap materials, and parts rattling inside the unit. And then there's the price. The exact same device can be found on wholesale websites for under $12. BreezeBox simply rebrands it, adds some LED lights, and sells it for as high as $59. Nothing about the build quality or performance justifies that markup. It's the same generic gadget sold under dozens of names online. The marketing tactics make the situation even worse. They use fake endorsements from big name media outlets like USA Today and ABC News, but there's no proof those features ever happened. They even created a made up engineer named Ed Black to make the product sound professionally designed. The reviews on their website are suspicious too, almost all 5 stars, with no way for real customers to post their own feedback. Meanwhile, identical products on Amazon and Trustpilot are filled with negative reviews calling out poor quality, late shipping, and terrible service. This is a classic example of a dropshipping scam. The website uses fake countdown timers, limited stock warnings, and pressure tactics to push people into buying fast. And if you try to get your money back, customer support is practically non existent. Many buyers say their refund requests were ignored or delayed until it was too late. So what's the final verdict? BreezeBox AC is a ripoff. It doesn't perform like a real air conditioner, it's massively overpriced, and the marketing around it is filled with red flags. You're better off saving your money and choosing a product from a reputable brand that actually cools your space. Don't fall for the hype. This one just isn't worth it.